If you're like most people, you probably use WhatsApp regularly to stay in touch with friends and family. However, you may have also noticed that you're receiving more and more messages and videos from unknown numbers. While many of these are harmless, some may be spam or even malicious. So how can you stop receiving messages and videos from unknown numbers on WhatsApp? If you are someone who is managing a lot of WhatsApp groups, you might have come across people who send random messages or videos to unknown numbers. This can be quite annoying, especially if you are not interested in the content that they are sharing. In this video, we will show you how to stop receiving messages and videos from unknown numbers on WhatsApp. WhatsApp provides the option to hide or conceal your profile photo, status, about info, groups, last seen, and status from people you don't know if you enable it in their privacy settings. This can be done by changing your WhatsApp privacy settings. 1. Open the WhatsApp app. 2. Tap the gear settings icon at the bottom menu. 3. Tap account. 4. Select privacy. 5. Tap on the privacy setting you want to change that includes last seen, profile photo, about info, groups, and status. Set them to nobody or my contacts. There are other ways you can also protect yourself on WhatsApp. Block contacts. If you're worried about someone seeing your profile, location, or online status, you can block them completely to avoid having to change all your privacy settings. This means that the person you have blocked will not be able to see your profile picture, status, or last seen. Additionally, they will not be able to send you messages or see any messages you send them. Here's how to block a contact in WhatsApp. 1. Open WhatsApp and go to the chat screen. 2. Tap the menu button, then Settings. 3. Tap Account, then Privacy. 4. Tap Block Contacts. 5. Tap the Add icon in the top right. 6. Find and select the contact you want to block. 7. Tap Block. You can also block a contact from the chat screen. Simply tap the menu button, then More, then Block. Turn off live location. Another popular feature on many social media and messaging apps, including WhatsApp, is the live location sharing. While it can be useful in some situations, it can also be a privacy risk. WhatsApp currently has more than 2 billion active users. It's a great way to stay in touch with friends and family all over the world. But did you know that WhatsApp also shares your location with others? That's right, if you have your location settings turned on, anyone in your WhatsApp contacts can see exactly where you are. This can be a great feature if you want to meet up with someone or let loved ones know you're safe. But it can also be a privacy nightmare. You can stop sharing your live location in all chats and groups by 1. Going to the Settings option menu. 2. Tap Account. 3. Tap Privacy. 4. On live location, tap Stop. This will disable location services for the app for both iOS and Android. WhatsApp messages and videos from unknown numbers are annoying and can be a privacy concern. If you want to stop receiving them, the best solution is to change your privacy settings. By doing so, you can help protect yourself from spam, scams, and even unwanted contact. For more app tips and tricks, be sure to like and subscribe to our AppJunkie YouTube channel.